I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to add a credit or debit card to Apple Wallet on your iPhone or iPad. Are you ready to streamline your wallet and make payments with just the tap of your Apple device? Apple Wallet offers a convenient and secure way to carry your credit and debit cards digitally. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a credit or debit card to your Apple Wallet, allowing you to pay in stores, through apps, and on the web quickly and safely using your iPhone or iPad. Whether you're setting up Apple Pay for the first time or adding a new card to your wallet, this guide will walk you through every step of the process. Now let's walk through the steps to add a credit or debit card to Apple Wallet on your iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open the Apple Wallet app. You'll land on your Apple Wallet home screen. Step 2. Tap the plus sign at the top of this screen. The Add to Wallet screen opens. Step 3. Tap Debit or Credit Card in this menu. An Apple Pay screen is displayed, letting you know that adding cards to Apple Pay lets you send money to friends and make secure payments in apps, on the web, and in stores using near-field communication. Step 4. Tap Continue. The next screen prompts you to either scan your card details in or enter them manually. Step 5. In this example, I'll choose to enter my card details manually. You'll land on a screen that prompts you for your credit or debit card details. Step 6. Enter the name that appears on the card and the card number, and then tap Next. The next screen prompts you to enter the expiration date and security code associated with the card. Step 7. Enter the expiration date and security code associated with your card, and then tap Next. A Terms and Conditions screen is shown. Step 8. Review these terms and conditions and then tap Agree. You'll briefly see a message that your card is being added, and then you'll see confirmation that your credit or debit card has been added to your Apple Wallet. The next screen will ask if you want to use this card as your default card. After choosing whether or not to use this card as your default payment method, you'll return to the Apple Wallet home screen, where you'll now see the credit or debit card you just added appears in this list. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.